Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into something a little different, but just as essential in the beauty world, a men's fragrance. We're looking at the John Varvatos Artisan Eau de Toilette spray. It's a 125 milliliter bottle with a woody citrus scent that features notes of Mexican winter mandarin, purple ginger, and Balambre. So let's see what this cologne brings to the table. First off, John Varvatos is a brand known for blending classic style with modern edge, and Artisan is no exception. This fragrance starts with a bright citrus burst thanks to that Mexican winter mandarin. Think fresh, zesty, and instantly uplifting. It then unfolds into a spicy floral heart, where the purple ginger adds a bit of zing without overpowering, and finally settles into a warm, woody base dominated by Balambre. This progression aims to balance freshness with masculinity, appealing to those who want something versatile but distinctive. Using this cologne in my daily routine was straightforward. The spray delivers a fine mist that's neither too overpowering nor too faint, which is key for something you wear all day. I tested it on different occasions, from morning office hours to a casual evening out, and found it adapts well. The citrus top notes are crisp and energizing early on, which is perfect for daytime. Later, the woody base adds depth and warmth, making it feel appropriate even in cooler weather or at night. One thing I noticed is the lasting power. For an eau de toilette, which typically has a lighter concentration than eau de parfum, Artisan holds up pretty well. I got about 4 to 5 hours of noticeable scent before it mellowed down to a subtle, skin-close aroma. That's respectable for this type of fragrance, though those seeking all-day intensity might want to reapply or consider a stronger concentration. Now for the pros. The scent profile is beautifully layered, bright but balanced, not leaning too sweet or too sharp. The bottle design is sleek and understated, with that signature John Varvatos aesthetic that feels premium without being flashy. The spray mechanism is smooth and efficient, so you get good coverage without waste. On the downside, if you're allergic or sensitive to spicy or woody notes, this might not be your go-to, since the purple ginger and Balambre can be a bit much for delicate skin or noses. Also, the price point is on the higher side for an eau de toilette, which brings us to value for money. For what you're getting, a well-crafted, versatile scent with decent longevity, it's fair, but it's not a budget pick by any means. If you're weighing this against other woody citrus fragrances, it sits nicely alongside favorites like Dior Sauvage or Bleu de Chanel, but offers a fresher, slightly more artisanal twist. Compared to those, John Varvatos Artisan might feel less aggressive and more approachable, which is a plus for everyday wearers who don't want to overpower a room. In terms of build quality, the bottle feels sturdy with a good weight in hand, something that speaks to quality and durability. I didn't encounter any issues with the spray or packaging, which is always a bonus when investing in a mid to high-end fragrance. While I haven't had personal experience with John Varvatos customer service, the brand generally holds a solid reputation for attentive support and product authenticity, which is comforting when purchasing luxury items like this. If you're on a tighter budget but like the woody citrus vibe, consider checking out some options from brands like Versace or Montblanc, which offer similar notes and style for less, though they might not have quite the same layered complexity. So what's the final take? John Varvatos Artisan is a refined, balanced fragrance that fits well for men who appreciate a fresh yet warm scent that transitions seamlessly from day to night. It doesn't break new ground, but delivers a reliable and pleasant experience that's versatile enough for various settings. It's definitely geared toward those who want quality and sophistication without an overpowering presence. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase this cologne in the description box below. If you've already tried John Varvatos Artisan, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.